إذا كان في الطريق عدو. If there was an enemy in the way. لا يمكن دفعه. Everything is there, wajib, hajj is wajib, but there is an enemy. Okay? Like in some of the countries where the bribery is there, you might pop up with an enemy or somebody, you have to pay something to let you go for hajj. إلا ببذل المال. You cannot avert that enemy except by spending money, like bribery cases in some countries. So now what should you do? I mean, I want to go. Okay, this money, how much he's asking for? فإن كان بذله مجحفا بحاله لم يجب عليه ذلك وسقط وجوب الحج. If it was too much, okay, in a way that it's going to cause difficulty and hardship for you, then khalas, then the hajj is not wajib upon you. The obligation falls, the hajj becomes deactivated. But if he's not asking too much money, that's peanuts, he's asking a little bit. And obviously, uh, scholars, they say too much money is not like necessary $1 million or something. No, it is a relative issue. It could be $100, but for a poor guy, that may be too much. Let's say he's in one of those poor countries, Pakistan or something. Or it may be $10,000. And for a guy who's multi-millionaire, it could be nothing for him. So it depends. So that's why he does not put the amount. He says, if paying this money would be a cause of difficulty and hardship for him, too much, so too much, relatively too much, then Hajj will be deactivated. No wajib Hajj. Otherwise, if it is good enough, he can handle it. It's not too much. It will not cause any difficulty, hardship, maybe a little bit difficulty, not too like becomes problem. That wajaba, he has to pay. This will be like prerequisites of Hajj, like buying a ticket, paying for visa, paying for this. They pay this also if it is in your capacity. نعم لا يجب بذل المال لأجل استعطافه حتى يفتح الطريق ويخلي السرب. So remember, one of the condition is that security. So if the path is not secured, okay, Hajj is not wajib. It's not activated at all. But here the Hajj was secured and somehow this guy popped up. So here, Sayyidi Sistani Damadullah says, yes, if from the beginning the path is not secured, Hajj is not wajib, then you don't have to spend money. نعم لا يجب بذل المال. نعم لا يجب بذل المال لأجل استعطافه حتى يفتح الطريق ويخلي السبب. If it's from the beginning, you don't have to give money so that he opens the path for you, because then the Hajj is not activated, because this was one of the conditions, that the path should be secured. So if the path is not secured, you don't have to spend money, 100 or 500 or whatever money, even you are able to, you don't have to. But after Hajj becomes wajib, activated, and everything is okay, this pops up. So now this condition, when it pops up on your face, you have two options. Either he's asking too much, deactivation. If it's asking a little bit, go. It is wajib on you.